Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G23 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. In order to continue, you need to install this free app from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now access settings by clicking on those three lines at the bottom right corner. Then click on settings at the top and choose I accept in the pop-up. Now you can check out all of those options. And when you're ready, tap on the top right corner. Then bottom one again. This time though, select Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper and tap on Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. So now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!